parsley. Come on then, let's do this. Come on, let's do this. Right, let's see what we got today in the organic boxes. Right, let's do it. Yeah, let's open it. This is the pantry section. Oh, look at that! What do we have? Oh, we've got stelline italiane, little stars shaped pasta. And we've got some more organic wholemeal pita bread. Some organic coconut oil, raw. Nutriseed, raw, organic. And we have another sweet corn, organic sweet corn. And in this pantry section we have a bag of prunes, organic pitted prunes. And then let's see, we got some wholemeal strong bread flour. Oh, a little bit coming out. And we've got some unroasted buckwheat. Ooh, do you like this? Do you like? Then we have organic soy mince. I only get the organic ones because I don't trust non-organic soy. So this is the only one. If it's organic, I'll get it. Then we have two organic free range and biodynamic eggs from Demeter. Two of them. Then the next box, that would be the fridge section. Ooh, the fridge section. Let's see what we got in the fridge. Sorry. What do we have? Oh, okay. Okay, we have. Oh, that must be another present because I didn't order that. We have organic kefir. That's another present. Organic kefir, not sugar added. That's excellent. Yeah, that looks good. Put it there. Then I've got another organic vegetarian sausages. And then I have some more cream. Some more organic cream. And now we get to the produce section. Produce section. Baby! Come on, baby! Come this way. Come that way. This way, babe. This way. Come on then. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so. Oh my gosh. Look what we got. Look what we got here. Oh my god. Look, we've got two more plantains. I buy them and they come in quite unripe. So what I do, I make them go really ripe, and then almost black, and then I freeze them, and I make wonderful ice creams with them, because they taste like custard once they're ripened. Then we've got another, oh, it's a bit dirty. Got another cantaloupe melon. It's a big one, this one. And then two smallish green mangoes. I also make them go really ripe, and then I'll chop them and freeze them, and I make smoothies when they go really ripe and soft. And I have smoothies mainly in the winter, because I store them all through the summer. I store all the mangoes through the summer for the winter time. And then we've got again another big selection of baking potatoes, and they are quite big. They're quite nice. There's about 2 kilos of them,